Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in India. On tonight's menu, beef and tomato curry over quinoa. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The curry and the beef looking at each other. And here's the beef all covered in the curry. Heating up some ghee in the brazier. I add the beef and saute to brown. I remove the beef and set aside. I add the onion and saute for a few minutes. Then I add the garlic, the ginger, and the hot peppers. And then I add the second curry and a little bit of tomato paste. Then I add the red wine and deglaze the pan. And then I add the tomatoes and the stock and the bay leaf. Then I reintroduce the beef, bring it to a simmer, and let it simmer for 2 hours. Then I rinse the quinoa, heat up some extra virgin olive oil in a small saucepan, and then I add the quinoa and give it a continual stir. And then I add the veggie broth. After a boil, I set it to simmer for 15 minutes and then let it set aside for 5. And here we go with the finished quinoa. And here's the finished beef and tomatoes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have fun cooking.